What are you up to today, Radhya?
We're gonna make rice paper spring roll.
Good wives. You need my hands.
Yes, to tie this up, please.
Alright, I can't. Who's gonna hold the phone because we don't have gimbal today? So you gotta do it. You show your skills today. Hello, buddy. Sit up.
You can just put the phone here, Papa.
Sit up, sit up, sit up. ऐसे बैठ के खाओ, ठीक है? Good girl.
You can tell me how to.
So, how you make your note when you put your shoes on? Yeah, just like that. And in front, yes. Yeah. Hello. What are you eating?
Two of these.
Money, who made that mess over there? All the mess you made here. Who's gonna clean this mess here? Huh? Who made that mess over there on the table? Over there.
Now what do we do, Papa?
Huh? Who made this mess over here? You see? Look up here. Hey, Money. Who made this mess? Who's gonna clean it? You wanna clean it up? Huh? Come on, clean it up. Clean it up. Good girl. So it's a very easy, simple recipe, Radhya.
Yes.
Reckon you can do it by yourself?
Yeah.
We need a mandarin.
Mandarin.
So slice some thinly slice carrot and
Yay!
cucumber. I go grab mandarin from the glass.
Why are you doing it right here?
Chop up our veggies.
Without telling you.
That's not for veggies, that's for the rice pepper. So we're gonna soak rice pepper here. Wait. Put this one on the side. Now we're gonna do our veggie prep. Peel the carrot.
Okay, let me look for a pillow. A pillow might be here somewhere. Something that pillows.
Good go. So cut the ends first, straight on. Careful.
I don't need your help.
So we're gonna cut this from the half. This way. Alright. And then, right? It won't go anywhere now. And this side gonna, uh-oh. That's fine now, this one, right? So, now, that's all what we need actually. You can grab some coriander from the back. Get some coriander leaves. Money, stay there, it's wet here. Little bit more. So that's enough. Come on.
Now what are we going to do, Papa?
So we're gonna slice these thinly slice.
Okay,
You do this, and I'll do that, okay? Good girl. Good chopping. Better than me. To cut this avocado also.
Ouch.
Did you chop your finger again?
Yes.
Careful.
Very glad I'm not bleeding. But this finger's really cut sore.
I need to slice this very thin.
Papa, can you help?
Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it.
I'm going to cut some avocado.
That thin and nice. Hold it. And now you go. Just put your finger here. Don't to make it tight, just like this. Yeah, and now we're gonna do some lettuce. Alright?
Baby.
Yeah. We get some lettuce here.
Yeah. But lettuce is not my favorite.
Wow.
Okay.
So this coriander and this lettuce. And take the leaves, dirty one. From here. So that's all our veggies actually. See? Lettuce. Just take the single bits out. That's right. That's really healthy spring roll salad.
Look. Garbage. Got one. This is enough.
This one here. Now grab the rice paper. Please soak this one into the water here. And then take it out. Put it over here. Just let it soak for a while, a little bit.
I can't even see the pen. It's invisible. Did you feel it? Wow, we can feel it also, Papa. It's so cool. I've never seen these.
It's like a paper, you see?
Yes.
So we put it on the table here. Do another one.
Yeah, I want to put that in.
So let it soak this one also in the water like this. Just put it beside it.
Let me pull my sleeves because sometimes my sleeve is wet.
So we make one for us, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put lettuce here first. Got lettuce here, some carrot. Look, it's gonna look nice and colorful and healthy. Some carrot gonna go in there. Some cucumber gonna go in there.
I can't wait to see it.
And some
Avocado.
avocado gonna go in there.
I also gonna put some.
A couple of leaves coriander here.
We didn't even
This
cut
one.
it.
No, we don't need to. That's crunch. That's the crunch. Put some sesame seeds in there. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. A little bit more. Some salt and pepper. That's it. So now we're gonna fold this.
I'm going to.
So we'll just change all this way.
Wow.
Make sure you fold it tight. Okay, and this way from the sides this way. From the
Will
side.
this paper taste good?
Yeah, it is rice. Just like a rice we cook, you know.
Wow, look at it.
Look at this, beautiful.
Wait, can I hold it?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're gonna make more of these. Just put it just on the side.
Now take that out.
Yeah, take that out. Put the one here. Okay, you go now. Put the lettuce
I'm
on.
putting this big one on.
Yeah.
Now carrots,
Yes.
some cucumber.
Yeah.
Oh, these cucumbers. And then some avocado. Some salt and pepper.
Look at the money.
Now roll it up.
Some sesame seeds.
Oh, I forgot. A peach.
And the coriander leaves. Couple coriander leaves.
Where's the coriander?
Couple, 2 only.
1, 2.
Beautiful, Radhya.
Thanks.
That looks beautiful. That's alright. Let it open. That's alright. Good try. Good try.
Oops. So fold up.
That's alright. Put more rice. Shell. So take a spoon of peanut butter first.
want to do that because I thought.
Wait, खांसी क्या मानी तूने? Wait, हो रखा.
This much, Papa?
Yeah, little bit more.
Dear, and another spoon, Papa?
Just one spoon.
Okay, I don't want.
Wait, क्या आपने?
Whoa!
What he did?
I fell over.
So we do some soy sauce here.
Yay, soy sauce.
Just about a tablespoon. Okay. Some hot sauce.
Can I put spicy sauce? Why are you making that spicy?
Some sesame seeds oil. Just that's a bit too much. Some apple cider vinegar. What you hear? I can't see. So now give it a mix. Good mix.
Doesn't smell very good. Ouch! My finger. Now? Okay. Some more? Wet. She's just being a bit naughty. Just need to mix this up again. Can I chop it?
Which one?
Okay.
Not like this. It's not a
Can I do it with my knife? I can do it with my knife. Thanks.
Add it here.
Now mix it up. Just taking out the peanut butter. It smells sorry. Yes. Do you smell it, Papa?
Yeah, I like it. And we got chili oil also, yeah?
Chili. I was like gingerbread man.
That's a chili oil.
Chili. Are you making it spicy?
Or I can have this one. I really like it. Alright.
I'm not really that hungry, Papa. But I can try it. Yeah, but not this sauce because this sauce is spicy.
Okay.
Papa.
Good? Nice? Yummy? Chili oil. House made.
Is that spicy? I'm gonna watch TV now.
Good job.